children. How are you doing? Good? Welcome to our school, Sri Vedada Universe School. I am Kamala and this is your English class. And we started with our lesson number 6, poem what? The Zoo. And I asked you to read the poem for many times. Have you read the poem? Got it? No need to get it, but at least you must be able to read it. Yes? Very fluently, so that when I ask you to read, you can read very nicely. So many times you read the poem. When we are doing the lesson, other exercises, one time every day, one time you can read the poem, no? Yes? Very interesting poem, no? Many animal names you are learning in this one. Very good. So now let us see what is given. In this lesson, you are going to learn about the describing words. What you are learning? Describing words. You have learned the naming words. Do you remember what are the naming words? Naming words are the names. Names, you have a name or not? All of you have name. This one has a name. This one has a name. What is the name of this one? Chalk. What is the name of this one? Book. What is the name of this one? Stick. Like that, everything has a name and that is called the naming word. And also you have learned about the action words. Now you are learning what are the describing words. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-I-N-G is what? Describing. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-I-N-G. Describing means telling more about something. దాని గురించి ఎక్కువగా చెప్పడం అన్నమాట. To describe. W-O-R-D-S are words. Describing words are what? Describe the naming words or nouns. About what they tell more. Describing means to tell more. About what? దేని గురించి ఎక్కువగా చెప్పడం? About the noun. That's why I told you what are the naming words. Nouns are not naming words. Naming words are the names. So let us see how in this poem they have told you silly monkeys, long-necked giraffe. We can say giraffe. I saw a giraffe in the zoo, but they are saying long-necked. So if we describe about any noun, then we can know more about it. If we tell this one stick, but long stick means you get in your mind the picture of a very long stick. White chalk, we can say chalk, white chalk. White chalk means it will write in white color. If we say pink chalk means it will write in pink color. So like that we are telling more about, this is chalk, but white chalk, white we are telling it is white. So that white is describing about the chalk. Means we are telling more about the chalk, that it is white. Now stick, we can say long stick. Means it is long. We can say stick, but we are describing it that how is the stick? It is long. So like that, to tell more about the noun is what? Describing words. They are called the describing words. In your term 1 also you have learned, but they have not given the word describing words. But you have learned them as the opposites, like long, short, right, left, tall, short. Do you remember? Happy, sad. One, you have learned many words and you have written an exam also on that one. Do you remember or not? That one only is the describing words. Big, small, long, short, right, left, far, near, all this one. But how we are using this in this lesson, you are learning how we are using these words. These words will tell more about the naming words. Now if you see here the example, you can understand very easily. Dark bear. So how is the dark? Bear is the naming word, it's the name of the animal. And how is the bear? Dark. So dark bear. So this is called the describing word. Dark is the describing word. Next, angry lion. Lion is naming word. How is the lion? Angry. So angry is the describing word. Next one, long-necked. Long-necked giraffe. Giraffe. So here giraffe is the naming word. Neck is also some name of the part of a body. So it is long-necked giraffe. So long, here long is the describing. We are describing the giraffe's neck. So long. Silly monkeys. Monkeys is the name of the animal. And how are the monkeys? Silly. So silly is the describing word. So dark bear, dark. Angry lion, angry. Long-necked, long. Silly monkeys, silly. So now have you understood or not? Let us see in your book. If you see below, they have given picture and one sentence. I have written the first line over on the board. Let us read this sentence and see how we can identify the describing word. Ela untundi describing word? How can you know it? Let us see by reading these sentences. You do more exercises, you can understand more easily. Yes? Now let us once only these ones only have written here. Okay, let us read. All of you look here, then we can see in the book. A young woman. Woman is naming word. How is the woman? Young. Old undochu, young undochu. So we are telling more. Woman gurinchi inka ekkuva cheptunam. What we are telling? That she is young. So what is the describing word? Young. We are describing the woman that she is young. So young woman. We can also say old woman. Then old. Here second sentence is an old man. Now how is the man? He is old. So what is the describing word? Old. Next, a big building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G is building. A big building. Now building is the name. How is the building? Big. How is the building? Big. So what is the describing word? Big. Big building. We are telling more about the building, that it is very big. Appudu you get in your mind the picture of a very big building. If we say building, you get only the picture of a building. But if we say big building, then you get in your mind a picture of a very tall building, like very tall apartments, something like that. Next, a small hut. All of you know what is a hut now. So they are saying a small hut. How is the hut? It is small. So small is the describing word. A tall tree. How is the tree? Tree is the naming word. How is the tree? Tall. How is it? Tall. So tall is describing word. A short plant. Plant. How is the plant? Short. So short is the describing word. Here I underline the describing word, but in your book it is given in another color. It's given in red color. So all the red color words are the describing words. Like young, old, small, big. Like that you get the opposites. Yes children, let us now open your course book, page number 22. Open page number 22. Now here they are saying first, the time at the zoo is fun, isn't it? Now they are saying if you go to a zoo, now you have learned about the zoo lesson. They are saying at the zoo, was it fun? Yes. After you go back home, your mother wants to know about your visit to the zoo. Now after you, if you go with the school to the zoo, after you go home, your mother will ask, no, how was your time at the zoo? What have you done? What have you seen? Then what will you tell? Very excitedly you will tell what you have seen in the zoo. Yes or not? You will tell that I have seen a dark bear, angry lion, long-necked giraffe, silly monkeys, big elephant. Like that you will tell or not? Yes. So if you are telling like that, then the big, long, all these were called the describing words. Now let us read it. The first line already I have written on the board and we read that one. Let us read the second line. See the pictures now for the first line. Now let us read the second line. One more time the first line. See the picture and let us read. Yes. A young woman, an old man, a big building, a small hut, a tall tree, a short plant. Now let us read the second line. A clean shirt. What is the describing word? Clean. How is the shirt? Clean. A dirty skirt. Now how is the skirt? It is dirty. Clean, dirty. You have learned, you remember or not? Yes, so dirty. A red ball. How is the ball? What color? Red. Very good. A yellow flag. How is the flag? Yellow. What color? Yellow. A good girl. How is that girl? Good girl. So good. Good, bad. A naughty boy. How is the boy? He is very naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y is naughty. G sound not there. So naughty. Allari pilladu anamata. So naughty boy. All these red color words are what? The describing words. Yes, children? I hope all of you understood what are describing words. Yes, they tell more about the naming word. So what is today's homework for you? Here these sentences means these sentences, the first line sentences and the second line sentences which are below the picture. You write one time in your notebook. So homework is write the sentences from page sentences below picture. From below picture or below picture. Sentences below picture. One time. In which book? Course book. One time in your notebook write. I hope all of you understood. I explained you know. I explained you that what you have to write? These sentences only. Just write these sentences. The which one with the ones which are below the picture. These sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6. 12 sentences only for one time in your workbook and read also. Read and write nicely. Write neat handwriting. Neatly. So with this there is only given one page in your course book. So in our next class let us see what is given in our workbook. Okay children? Nicely do your work. Learn the poem. Read the poem. And get ready for your next class. Let's meet in our next class. Goodbye children.